Dear all, welcome to this video. This is the latest video and the lesson number 2. If you remember, in the first video and these lessons, we learned how to do the opening balance for some items of the general ledger and the stock value. Second video, we learn how to do the opening balance of the customers. Then the third video, we learn how to do the opening balance of supplier. And now we will learn how to do bank reconciliation. What does bank reconciliation mean? Here we are not changing the balance of the bank. Here we are just doing the reconciliation, which is we record in our system what are the transactions which we have it and is not written in the bank statement, or is written in the bank statement but we don't have it yet, because sometimes customers, they pay to our bank before sending us the payment voucher, so it's not recorded in our account or in our accounting system, but it's recorded in the bank statement. And sometimes we pay to the supplier. We record this transaction in our accounting system, but is not yet reflected in the bank statement. So in both sides, we need to write this record in our system, and we cannot ask the bank to change their system. We will follow their system. So in our records, it's just for checking. So we do what we call it bank reconciliation. So here we have the bank. This is for transaction. We need to do it in the bank reconciliation. How we do that? You need to go. This is the window of the software. You need to go to General Ledger. We have Bank Reconciliation. Okay, so from GL, General Ledger, we have Bank Reconciliation. We do a new Bank Reconciliation. Here you will ask yourself, okay, how is showing here is the opening balance? Please don't modify here at all. You do right click here in the empty area, right click. I will repeat again. To do the bank reconciliation, you go to the GL, the General Ledger, you go Bank Reconciliation, you put new, you don't modify here anything, you do right click in the empty area to choose Opening Bank Reconciliation. Okay, please do this step to consider this bank reconciliation as for opening balance. So opening bank reconciliation. Then we put the details. We choose a bank. So we have our Maybank. Actually, in our system, we have only the Maybank. We need to put the voucher number. We have it here. The check number. This is the check number. The description is for this supplier. The amount is in credit 760, and for date it's 18 December. The YY is a year before our current accounting period. Our current accounting period is 2017, so the YY here is 2016. 18 December 2016. Then we put save. Okay, this is the first one. Then we put new. The bank is same, which we put the voucher number, the check number, the description, the amount in credit 3,200. We put the date is 20 December. Sorry, this one is 20 December 2016. We put save. Then we put new, same bank. Here we have the debit side. So we go for this, the voucher number. We have the check number. We have the description. We have the amount 3,500. It's in the debit side. And the date 25th December 2016. 25th December 2016. We put save, then we put in new, same bank, the voucher number, check number, description, amount and debit 12,300. The date is 31st December 2016. 31st December 2016, and we put save, then we put browse to see the list of the items which we already included in our bank reconciliation. So what is a bank reconciliation? Why we do? As we mentioned, there is some transaction already recorded in the bank system, not recorded in our system, or recorded in our system, not recorded in the bank system yet. So these transactions or these records are not changing the bank balance. Those just for following the records, just for our own records, just to be able next month when we are receiving the bank statement, we will see some transactions. We will see the balance is different than our balance, so we need to do this bank reconciliation to be able to follow all the transactions. Okay, so like this, our lesson number 2 already finalized. We learned how to do the opening balance for all the general ledger, the stock value, the customer, supplier. Then we did the bank reconciliation, and we finished the task number 1 of this lesson, and it is the only task. So our lesson number 3, we're gonna to learn in the next video. We'll start with issuing purchase orders and doing and receiving product from our suppliers. Please keep following the series of those videos, and please subscribe the channel to receive all the updates. See you in next lesson.